Leo the Russian.
Ryan the Bohemian.
And today we're going to be making ourselves a couple of pieces. We've been meaning to do them for a while, so let's see how it's built. We're going to trace the 24 and then we'll trace Kobe and then we'll start cutting it out. So we got a Sharpie, you know how that goes. We got the number stenciled way up high. I don't know if, yeah, there we go. We can kind of see it and the lines roughly for where Kobe will be. So now Ryan's just going to stencil Kobe himself. And then we'll sandwich it together once it's being cut out. And then that's next. Alright, Kobe's done. We got also a new line in the table right there. But oh well. This part right here is so satisfying. Look at that. Not bad. Alright, do the other one now. We're right at the end. This shook off. Normally this plywood is super solid, but I don't know if it's because like these new blades are weird and they burn, like I don't know if you can see it. But it burned even on the little edge, which is an easy turn to make. So now this is broken off. So what we're gonna do is we'll glue it all, but then we're gonna put some reinforcements on the back so we can sand it in piece and not shake it off, and then decide if we want back on it or anything like that. So all this is cut out, mocked up, so I can take a picture. I forgot, I started spraying the, what are we doing? The Black Panther from all the corners and whatnot, but it needs another coat. We got the backing for it, we mocked it up. Looks pretty good. I think we're gonna do it light metallic blue, so if that looks weird, then we'll paint it some darker. And we're gonna go paint this guy too. It's like 27 coats of yellow, give or take. And so now, the moment of truth, we're gonna put the Kobe on, screw it all together, and then we'll reveal both of them. There we go, it's all finished. Really pretty. It can be darker blue, but that's what we already had, and it would have been like 30 bucks to buy another pint or quart or whatever you call it in American measuring units. But the metallic paint ain't cheap, but you can see how much color it changes just based on like the angle. So metallic is pretty sweet in that regard. And then of course we got the Kobe over here, came out real sick later. And then we fixed this, so it's pretty clean. It's not really coming up or anything like that, but it's nothing but just a piece of tape, and we spray painted it. So it'll do in a pinch. We could have fixed it properly, and by fixed it properly I mean cut the whole brand new one, but Ryan was happy with the way it was coming out. I mean, and it's 99% clean, so. Alright, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Great success.